Now, this is how you can view the previously installed apps on your Android. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it, of course, depends on which account you've been using with your Google Play. Because if you open up your Google Play for, of course, the Play Store, you can tap on your account at the top and you will be able to manage the stuff attached to your personal one. So you can even switch to a different account if you believe that you've been downloading apps from that one particularly. But you can see that we have the ability to tap on manage apps right here, manage apps and a device. And this is going to show you some different things. So it's going to show you some updates available and so on. But you can proceed to the manage section, and part of the on this device you can switch to not installed, and this is going to show you and give you the list of every single app which you have installed in the past using this account, but it's not currently part of your phone. So this is basically the previously installed apps which you have used on your device. You can see there are actually too many of them because I've been using this account for a very long time actually, but that is the whole point behind it. This is how you can find the previously installed apps. I hope I was able to show you where it resides inside of the app. But if you found this video helpful, just let me know about it by hitting the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more tips and similar guides, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.